This is Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit more today about retainers, retention, and how to pick the right menu of retainer options after you finish your braces or your aligners, your Invisalign, your Clear Correct, whatever you're having. So I know this is a real hot button topic on our forums. We get a lot of questions, not only from doctors, but also from patients that are on our patient-facing forums about retention questions. What's the best? And there really is no right answer. Every kind of case may have a better kind of retention option, and certain retainers will last only so long. Um, the most common retainer is your clear Essex retainer. It looks like an Invisalign. It doesn't last very long though. So on average, I would say a couple months to a year. So in a lifetime, you're gonna have to switch these out a lot because you do need to wear your retainers for life, at least at nighttime. So this is something you need to think about whenever you're going for any type of orthodontic treatment. You need to ask these questions and find out, okay, great, I'm investing this amount in my treatment, but how much is it going to cost me to invest later? And what if I upgraded to a better type of retainer, a more durable type of retainer? It's probably going to cost me less, right? So anyways, I'm talking here about Hawley retainers, but not a standard Hawley retainer. A standard Hawley retainer, you can probably see pictures of that. It only covers this part, the wire, and then there's nothing on the sides. This is my favorite kind of Hawley retainer, and you don't have to have purple. This just happens to be blinged out. I call this a circumferential or wraparound Hawley retainer. This is the type I have. I've had mine for 20 years and I've never had to adjust it. They're incredibly awesome. You can get clear here, but the problem with the clear is it'll turn yellow over time. So, I mean, it's really fun to bling it out with the colors. But I do recommend that patients wear it full time after they get their braces or aligners off for at least 6 months. That's just my recommendation. The pros to this is that it keeps everything straight. But it allows the teeth and the bite to fully settle and fully interdigitate. So I don't know if any of you, especially aligner patients, when you get your treatment done, sometimes you feel like the right side's hitting more than the left side, or you're not fully balanced in how you're biting. This will even everything up. And then later, if you want to get a clear one, you can. But this is awesome. The only thing it doesn't do that well is it doesn't help to keep the teeth all level. Like it doesn't help to prevent extrusions of the front teeth here. So you can see how this treatment is done, but these are two different levels. So on this end, it's not so great. So like I said, there's pros and cons to everything. So you have to think about these things. Nothing is perfect. So anyways, I just wanted to bring that up. If you're looking for some great labs to order this from, I love TP Orthodontics. They have a really reasonable price. So does Specialty Appliances. You can get it from Cadmus Dental. There's a variety of different labs that do an awesome job with doing wraparound Hawley retainers. Bite Soft Enterprises, goodness, I can list off a whole name. This is just people that I've seen their work. I have doctors that use them, and I know their price points are reasonable and it's quality work. So feel free to message me if you have any other questions about retainers. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.